Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a girly luxury haul, and I'm so freaking excited because I've been waiting for the past few weeks now, and you guys know I love doing these videos, but if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me. And I just want to mention that some people listen to the beginning, but yet they don't want to follow each simple direction, but they're really quick to message me. It's kind of rude that some of them are just not like following the simple directions that I gave out, and I don't know, it just rubs me the wrong way. Follow, DM, not just DM, follow, DM. If you guys have any questions or concerns, like you guys know, if you know, you know. And don't forget to like this video if you guys love watching any type of girly videos or luxury hauls. I did get a few accessories. So the first accessory or jewelry piece that I got was a Tiffany necklace. The crazy thing is, I just realized Tiffany Co was my first luxury item. My aunt Tasha gave me this necklace when I was 9 years old, and ever since I just kept it, and I used to wear it a lot. It is 100% sterling silver, so I feel more comfortable wearing it since I do have like jewelry cleaner now. I never lost it, and I made sure I took good care of it. It's not broken, it's still looking nice. This Tiffany necklace is my first luxury jewelry piece. But now with the necklace that I got, I had just got this heart necklace that I'm wearing. It's literally the same thing as the silver one, but when you flip this over, one side is pink, so you can wear it two different ways. Once you get it, it does come in this box, and when you open it, it'll just look like this inside. If the box is looking kind of dusty, I'd accidentally put some oil on it and it looks like some food. So yeah, do not mind how the box looks. It came really nice and clean. I really love this Tiffany blue. I've been sleeping on this color for the longest time, but this is like one of the prettiest blue colors ever. I just love this little bag, so I'm probably gonna use this as like a little decor in my room. This is the necklace that I have on. Like I said, you can wear it two different ways. Right now I'm just wearing the side that has the all gold and it says return to Tiffany Co. Then on the other side, when you actually flip it, not like just twist it, but like flip it so you can wear it like this, it says it on the other side too, return to Tiffany Co. Then it has the pink. You can get this in red or Tiffany blue. I think they have a yellow, purple, or violet color. I don't know, there's so many different colors with this part. This is how the clasp looks on the back. It just looks like this. I don't know if you guys could see it all the way. Let me like get up and just show you guys like this. But I love how it looks. It's so shiny. This necklace is definitely one of my new favorite jewelry pieces. Before we continue on with this video, I really want to show you guys my new flowers that I got from Rose Forever New York. And the flowers that I had before them were a ivory white color, and they lasted me for 1.5 years, and actually they're still lasting me. They're all the way in the living room, but if you guys watch my previous videos, then you guys know I had those flowers for a really long time. They're still living, they're still thriving, but I just didn't have any room for them in my room. But now I got some new roses, and these are the violet ones, and you guys know I like me some violet, pink. I was gonna get pink, but you know violet's cute too. And if you guys never heard of Rose Forever, they sell roses that literally last forever pretty much, because you guys know regular roses, they die within a week. These last all year to 1.5 years, or even longer depending on how you take care of them. But this is how they look again. These are so beautiful. Keep in mind, these are 100% real roses, but they do use all natural oils to keep these preserved. These roses are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. You can get these roses in any color you want: red, blue, yellow, orange, black, gold, white. So many different colors on their website, and with their boxes you can choose so many different boxes. You can get a clear acrylic box and put some jewelry in it, and the roses will be on top. I was this close of getting that one, but I really wanted this velvet box because it looks very luxurious and fancy, and it matches perfectly in my room too. I have 16 roses in here, and I believe this was the perfect size. You can get this in like 6 roses, 16, and they have like a huge box. They have like a heart-shaped box, and you guys know Mother's Day is around the corner. Father's Day is around the corner. There's nothing wrong treating yourself, so if you want to give this as a gift to someone that you love and care about, or just get some flowers for yourself and just show yourself some love, then I recommend you guys getting Rose Forever New York roses. Rose Forever gave me a discount code for you guys, which is Symphony 20, and you guys can get $20 off your whole order. So make sure you guys use my link and my coupon code to get that $20 off. Just want to say thank you Rose Forever for sending me these and sponsoring this small portion of today's video. Next, I had got some Chanel sunglasses, and this will be my first pair of Chanel sunglasses. There's so many different Chanel glasses you can choose from, but with these pair, like, they're giving me Y2K girly vibes, or just girly vibes in general. But let me just open this up. I can't believe these will be my first pair of Chanel glasses. So once you take them out, it'll just come in its own case, and I love that it does because I love the quilted design on this case. Then it has the little Chanel logo right here. With the sunglasses, you'll get this little Chanel cleaning cloth, just says Chanel imprinted on it. Then I have the little card that came with it, the little pamphlet. But yeah, let me show you guys what the sunglasses actually look like, because these are so cute and so girly. So these are the sunglasses that I got, and these are so cute. Like, oh my gosh, it's given summer 2023. Oh yeah, these look too good. It does have a little sticker right here that says 100% UV protection, so these are gonna definitely protect my eyes, and we need that because the sun can be dangerous. You guys already know, but you know, I'm just talking extra. But yeah, I love how these look. Like, the color of the lens is perfect, the design right here is perfect, and actually let me show you guys up close how the design looks. Like, do you guys see how dope that is? It says the same thing on the other side. There's another double C towards the end of this tip right here, and on the other side of this, it's imprinted in gold. With the inside part, this is going to be really comfortable because these move. Let me just take the sticker off real quick. I'm gonna try not to scratch these. Oh, it's not even a sticker, it's just a little plastic thing. Let me just clean these up. Oh, let me show you guys this part. It even has the little double C's on here too. These are so cute. How many times do I have to say this? I don't even know. But the lenses right here, these are pink. I completely forgot that I had purposely got the lenses to be pink, because while I'm looking at this light, I noticed like a shade of pink, but over here it's kind of looking orange. Maybe it's the ring light that I have, but over here it's looking like more pink. Yeah, these are UV protective, so I don't have to worry about my eyes getting damaged. Like, I'm so excited. Let me just model these for you guys. These are the bomb. I'm so obsessed with these. Okay, let me just take these off now. With inside the box, they're gonna be really protected because they have a suede material inside, and it's like curved in here, so your sunglasses are like made for this box. Well, the Chanel sunglasses are made for this box. Next, I got a new 𝐿V wallet because I've been wanting this wallet for a really long time now. Comes with a little pouch, of course. You guys know how that goes. This is the wallet. She is very pretty, but the inside of it is so cute and pink. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. So I decided to get this one because of the little coin pouch on the inside, and this part is also pink, and then you can just put your cards right here. Wait, where's it at? Right here, then right here, and right here. There's nothing on the back of it. It's just mainly the 𝐿V print. But yeah, I love this so much. It's very girly, very pink, and you guys know I've been into pink lately. Like, I've been seriously obsessing over pink. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna be a permanent thing. Like, I don't think I can go all pink with everything because that's just not my aesthetic, but the specific color pink really has my heart right now. Kind of nervous, kind of don't care because it's really cute anyway. It's a really cute color, and I love this little part right here. But yeah, this is how the wallet looks again. Everything is so nice and so pretty. I'm gonna wear her a lot during the spring and summertime. I'm thinking of switching out my wallet soon too. Okay, so last but certainly not least, I had to get a bag because I've been eyeing this bag. Per usual, what I say, I don't know if you care. There's just so many bags that I want, but I just have to do little by little. Sometimes I can change my mind. Sometimes it's just not the right season. But this bag is perfect for the spring and summertime. And all year round possibly, but I just thought of the spring and summertime. So I had got me a little Chanel, okay, a double C, you know. Once you open it, it looks like this. She is beautiful. I was going to get her in the dark purple color, but I needed this lilac color. Lilac is like my favorite type of purple color next to pink, so, or baby pink. But yeah, this is how she looks. I'm gonna name her Lilac. Honestly, I don't even know what to name her. I'm probably gonna name her like, I don't know, what should I name her? Let me know in the comments. I had to get the metal in gold because it just looked better than the silver to me. I feel like with the silver, it would have been cool for like winter time maybe. Gold is my go-to metal anyway, but once you unlock it, it looks like this. Then you just take all the stuff out that's inside of it. This is how she looks. You know, it's just the typical classic flap, but it's in a different color. And then it has this compartment, this zipper part. I think I need to take this off. Then it looks like this. Then on the inside it looks like this. It's just the same thing as the regular Chanel classic flap, but with this bag from the inside out is just a lilac color. You can just put lipstick in here, maybe some small cute things. I'm gonna just take this off because I don't even know, it's just in the way. You know, I love the quilted part, but I did get this in caviar instead of lambskin. With lambskin, sometimes it kind of looks like old, and with caviar it kind of gives that new fluffy look. But I know with the lambskin Chanels, they're like more sturdier. If you're more clumsy or get things dirty quick or easier, depending what like type of person you are, then I recommend getting lambskin. But if you're the type that knows how to keep your stuff clean, then I recommend getting lambskin. And the chains on it look like this. I always love how the chains are with these Chanel bags. Like, these are so cute and just, you know, go-to friendly. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's girly luxury haul, and let me know in the comments your guys' suggestions on other girly luxury pieces I should get next. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.